Are you looking to earn some extra cash in your spare time? In this video, we'll explore a simple and convenient method to make money online by watching short advertisements on your phone. Imagine being able to turn your idle time into earnings. That's exactly what you can do by watching 30-second ads on your phone. Platforms and tools. There are various platforms and apps that offer opportunities to earn money by watching ads on your mobile device. Some popular ones include earning potential. The potential earnings from this activity can vary, but with dedication, it can become a source of passive income over time. Tips and best practices. To maximize your earnings, it's important to manage your time effectively and ensure that you are using legitimate and safe platforms. In conclusion, making money online by watching 30-second advertisements on your phone can be a simple way to supplement your income. So why not give it a try?